Good morning, Peninsula Township residents. Chief Gilstorff with the fire department. We have a pandemic going on, if you haven't heard, and because of that, we're unable to do a open house at our new fire station 3. So today, we'd like to take you through it and give you a glimpse of what it looks like, and still have you back out when we do have an open house. So come on in. Welcome to the new Peninsula Township Fire Station 3. This station is situated in the north end of Peninsula Township. It's geared to decrease our response times to the residents in the north. The intent of the Peninsula Township Fire Department to staff new Station 3 with one person a day, 24/7, 365 days a year. Come on in, we'll show you what we have in the station. First, here on the left, we have what would be considered the radio room or the watch room. This is where firefighters will do all their paperwork, their assignments, training, things of that nature. It has a radio so that we can have communication with our other stations. It has an alerting device, so whenever we get called, that device will go off and it will be, it'll alert the firefighter that's in the station that there's a run. So that's basically our communication room. Stepping into this room, this is where the firefighter will relax, watch TV, do training, eat their meals, basically everything they have to do every day. It's basically situated just as if it was your home away from home. They have a nice kitchen, range, dishwasher, refrigerator, all the dishes, appliances that they need to live here for the day. So coming this way, we have a utility area, which basically is your normal cleaning area. It'd be similar to your entryway from your garage in your home. There's a washer, dryer, so they can clean their clothes if they get dirty, wash towels, whatever they have to take care of during their day at the fire station. Obviously, the firefighters are here for 24 hours a day, so they need a place to sleep. So we have 2 bedrooms in this firehouse. They're both very, very good sized rooms. There's a bed, which all this furniture in this fire station was donated by Golden Flower. We very much appreciate their partnership in helping us with anything we needed when it came to furniture. Firefighters have a locker to store their stuff while they're here. Very accommodating area, very relaxing. Also, there's alert tone in here as well, so when they're sleeping, they can be alerted to a run. Also, we have 2 bathrooms for the firefighters, which contains a shower in case they have to take a shower. If they become contaminated or they just need to take a shower after doing some workouts. Very nice shower or bathroom. Now we're going to enter into the Apparatus Bay, which is where we keep the fire truck. Meantime, we replaced our utility truck with a skid unit that has about 200 gallons of water, but it also has the medical first response equipment as well, so they can respond to medicals up here in the north part of the township very, very quickly. The station has the capability to have 2 trucks in it. Like I stated, at this time we're only going to have 1. Currently we have our small boat, which is getting detailed and cleaned and ready for the season. That'll be ready to go, and that'll be located at Station 2. In the firehouse, we have a work area that has all the tools that the firefighters need in case they need to fix something at the station, fix something on the truck. They have all the tools that they can get. We're very much about fixing things ourselves and trying to save money when we can. We have a storage area up top that'll keep all of our equipment that we need, that we don't use on a regular basis. It'll be stored here. This fire station has newly placed protective equipment As you can see by the door here on the wall, there's a blue type box that basically senses carbon monoxide. So if there's a buildup of carbon monoxide in this apparatus bay, it turns a fan on and exhausts it automatically, making it much safer for our firefighters. So as you can see, this is our new fire station. We can't wait for you to come visit us and see everything we have here, especially the little ones. We're super excited about getting them in the fire station, letting them turn the lights on the fire truck, play with the siren. But we just wanted to take the time to show all the residents our new station. We thank you for your support. We thank the town board for its support. And this station is going to be a boon to the northern part of the township. It's been in service since April 1st. We look forward to it having positive outcomes. So if you ever have any questions, please give us a call, 231-223-4443. And we hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon.